Welcome to your next step, complex vowels. You've mastered the basic consonants and vowels. You can already read many Korean words. The last part of learning vowels is to combine the basic ones you already know. These are called complex vowels, or diphthongs. Don't be scared by their shapes. Every complex vowel is just two basic vowels put together. Let's look at them. First, let's talk about the sounds. These two are very common. In modern Korean, they sound almost identical. The first one is e. This is made by combining a and e. It sounds like the e in net or map. The second is e. This is made by combining a and e. It sounds like the e in egg or set. Yes, they sound the same to most people. You will learn which one to use for spelling by remembering the word, just like two versus two in English. For example, K and K sound identical. You can also add a Y sound to these, just like we did with the basic vowels. Ye is ya plus E. It sounds like ye from yell or yes. Ye is ya plus E. It also sounds like ye from yet or yes. Now let's move on to the W sounds. This group is formed by starting with U or U and adding another basic vowel. These all begin with a W sound. Wa is O plus A. It sounds like wa from water or wand. We is O plus E. It sounds like we, similar to wet or wag. We is O plus E. It sounds like oi, which is like way from way or wait. Wo is wu plus o. It sounds like woe from wonder or one. We is u plus e. It sounds like we from wedding or web. We is u plus e. It sounds like we, like in we or week. There is one last one, and it's quite unique. We call it the mystery vowel. Ui is made by combining u and e. It makes an ooey sound. There's no perfect English match. Try to say u and quickly slide to e. A note on ui. This vowel is tricky. At the start of a word, like in 의사, it's ui. In the middle of a word, it often just sounds like e. When it means of, it's pronounced a. Don't worry too much about this one for now. You are now a vowel master. Congratulations! You have learned all the Korean vowels. Let's practice reading with these new vowels. Kiuk plus we gives us gui, which means ear. The silent iong plus wei gives us wei, meaning why. Iong plus wa gives us wa, which means and. Chiit plus wei gives us chego, meaning the best. What's next? You know all the consonants and all the vowels. There is only one more piece of the puzzle, batsim, the final consonants. This is the sound of a consonant when it's at the bottom of a syllable block, like the nian in on. You already learned the basic idea, but the next lesson will cover all the rules.